Okay, here's the start of this lovely potato and onion omelette. Eggless omelette, of course, or you can call it potato and onion egg cake. Whatever, doesn't matter. But this is how easy it is. They're organic spuds and organic onions. I use organic products 99% of the time. Don't need any extra toxins or anything in the body, so you throw them into the oven there for about 30-40 minutes and just bake them out. That's it. Let's see what happens. Now, here they are, well roasted, baked. That's how lazy I am when I want to cook. But guess what? See those onions there when they're baked? They caramelize and the flavours they give off, and they've got health benefits. Anyway, so we take them out of the oven now, and just let them cool down before we go to the cooking. Let's move on. So, here we go, and that's all you have to do then when you take them out of the oven. Just cut them open there, yeah? Let them chill out, as they say, yeah? Relax. This is a really simple dish. And it's great for those who like the vegan or vegetarian or plant-based, whatever it is you're into, yeah? This is an omelette without any egg, potato and onion, and healthy. Oh, here's the onions. I don't know if you've seen this in the other video, but when you bake these onions, right, they caramelize on the inside. They are absolutely divine. They really are. So all you do is cut off the root end, yeah, snip it off at the end there, and squeeze out your onion like so, yeah. Right? There's a really, I can't remember the name, I must find out. There's a compound created when you bake these onions. Look at, there's the caramelization there, yeah? There's a compound in it, and it's really very good for your stomach, guys. Anybody who's suffering from leaky guts or anything like that, you should look into the baked onion. From what I've seen and what I've heard from like-minded people who are very health conscious about what they eat, this is real. So anyway, let's get on to the next step. You just scoop it out and throw it in the bowl, no big deal. You don't need to see that. So here we go. This is it, yeah? So you've scooped it out, yeah, and you've just chopped your onion. Just roughly chopped it, yeah? No big deal. And I've put in some salt there, molten salt, some ground black pepper, and some fresh thyme. And literally, you just combine that together, right? And just make a shape, whatever shape you can make a love heart if you like. Love hearts are great. They look great in the pan when you're frying them as well, yeah? But form it like a cake and like a dough ball, and then just slap it on the pan. Now some people can put the flaxseed in there and that as a replacement for the egg. But flaxseed is oil now, and it excretes oil. So I'm not really into putting oils into my body if I don't need to put oils in, because the foods have natural oils as well. So let the body look after and do what it's supposed to do. It knows much better than I do. So all I do is set up the conditions and give it the right things. But excess of certain things, I don't think there's any need for that, yeah? Anyway, look, let's form a whatever shape. Next. So here we go. We have it on the pan, as I said, just flap it onto the pan, yeah? You can get your flipper or your egg slice, whatever you want to call it, or whatever. And then just start to pan it out. And as I said, you can make shapes on the pan. When it's in this format, you can actually make a hard shape. You know about that, yeah? You can do a bit of sculpturing on your pan, and you can start to make your hard shape that we discussed. Just like that. And you just keep baking it down. If you're into hearts, great. I just want a nice cake actually, so, and it's full of hearts inside. So that's all you have to do, yeah? Bring it together. It's like fried potato, yeah? And what is an omelette anyway? A Spanish omelette. Why would you want to put all the oil in and fry it and put that all into your food? And take the oil. I know you take the oil out, but what's the point in frying it in there anyway in the first place? When you taste, oh, the smell of the thyme off this oil cooker. Oh, I can't wait to eat this. Anyway, try it out there and you'll see. Hold on a second, I'll just finish it off and stick it on a plate and let you see what I'm going to eat next to my homemade baked beans that I haven't even made yet. Yeah, sure, I'll discuss the baked beans. This is a passata sauce, okay? And these are Carmelized beans, yeah? Now, one thing I will say about these, I bought these ones, these are already in a tin, cooked and all, yeah? Just for a quick job for myself. And they're organic, so you've got really high quality food. But I will say to you one thing about beans, when you're using them, give them a good wash. A really good wash.
because many people, when they're doing them, they don't wash them properly, especially restaurants and that. And then people, when they get their Mexican tacos, they wonder what the heck's going on the next day. And it's like a volcano down below. You just can't stop it. Well, that's, to do with the beans. And if they were prepared properly, your arse wouldn't be on fire so much. Anyway, so in there they go. And it's just a bit of seasoning as all for your beans, And that's it, yeah. That's a different video. Let's stay here on there. Woo! That's my potato cake. And she's looking good. Now, you want to turn that over to the other side, don't you? But there's a trick in that. Hold on, it's as simple as you can see it. So what you got to do is you got to take up your pan, yeah, like so, and then just flip her over. It's as simple as that. Flip her over and it comes on the plate. Here, I'll show you. Lovely there. And then flip her back on the other side, and that's it, yeah. We go back to our beans. Hold on, we see what goes on. I'll tell you. Okay, I'll tell you. Somebody sent me a quick message. How do you make those beans? Okay, so it's basically just, as I said, a raw passata sauce, and then what you do is get a teaspoon or a half a teaspoon, depending on how much you like it, English mustard there, okay, salt and crackback pepper, and Worcestershire sauce. Yes, about 2 tablespoonfuls of that in there. And then after it's heated up and that, you'll need a bit of sugar. I'm talking real sugar. And I use coconut blossom. You can use agave as well, So these are really cool, and the kids love these. I remember I've done them there not too long ago for when I was doing a class here, and they loved them so much. They just went home. They had to make them over and over again. Understandably. Fresh food, no additives, no nothing, just fresh. And look, here's a potato cake, or Spanish omelette if you want to call it that. But look how intact it is, okay? That's because of the starch, okay? Now starch, soon they're going to tell you, and I bet you, keep your ears open guys, they're going to tell you about starches. They're going to try and put starches into pills and tell you it's great for certain sicknesses, yeah? Forget about the pills, go straight to source, yeah? You get it from your food, yeah? Oh, hold on, I'll stick it on the plate there and we'll have a look and see what it looks like, yeah? It's on the plate. And one of those little things I used to really love when I was younger is omelettes and beans. Egg and beans, I think everybody did. But look, this is just a quick demo on that. If you like workshops and you want to spend a good quality hour of time with me, I started a new thing there, Airbnb Experiences, the link there below. And as with all my services, I always guarantee, if anybody doesn't like the services, I don't want your money. I have everything I need in the world right now. But however, things do cost. So it's a great hour, and I guarantee you're going to learn so much in just an hour. A lot more than these little snappy videos. These are just quick snaps. But look, check the links out below there, and I'll see you on the other side. Hold on, I'll put a few beans on. I heard somebody saying that, put a few beans on it. Okay. So here's these beans I made, I actually put them into a bigger pot, I was in a hurry. Just a little bit because I wanted to eat. I was starving there, taking me time. Oh. Anyway, so what we do is we take a few beans, right? And you can put them on like that, Oh, you can put salad. I was going to put salad on, but I said, nah, I'm going to go for a real old one today. And show you guys how simple this stuff is, so just a few beans. And of course, if you're into your eggs and that, go ahead, knock yourself out, throw an egg or two on the top there, if that's what you want, But the whole idea of doing this is just that you don't have to eat eggs, Eggs is, you don't necessarily have to eat eggs at all, And there's lots of different opinions on eggs out there. And eggs, no, I'm not into eggs. But, there has been an occasion where I've eaten one. Same with meat, even though I'm a plant-based eater these days. I have clients and guests, and I don't inflict my opinions on them. So if I have to provide food for them and there's meat and eggs in it, I'll taste it, make sure it's good for them. And that's the way it should be for me. Anyway, check that link out there below and the new Airbnb Experiences. Thanks for tuning in. Rude of me not to show you that I really am eating it. But there's another little trick here that you need to know about in relation to this. And that's the good old avocado, Remember I was saying to you about the oils and that, Well, the oil in the avocado is very good for you, It's one of the most complete foods out there, avocado. I hear people giving it a bad rap sometimes. Well, for those who are educated and understand, you know, something that's good for you, you know, who gives it a bad rap? Look who's giving it a bad rap. The healthy foods, look who's giving them a bad rap. Big Pharma actually developed companies to give healthy foods bad rap. So it's just a game, it's a commercial game, yeah? But throw you a bit of avocado, and as I said to you with avocados, don't be opening them up if they're like bullets, yeah? Rocks or whatever you want. I like to squeeze mine out. I know she's nice and ripe. And with the beans and with the potato and onion, she's bloody gorgeous, yeah. So that's how simple it is. Go on, check that link down there below, and I'll see you on the workshop, Divine Pizza, with special guest, me. Anyway, there you go.